Alright, so what is a rate? A rate is simply a ratio that compares two quantities with different units. So I've got some examples here. Pretty typical one. I could have written these actually, by the way. Um, these are supposed to look like fractions. So 18,000 miles per 1 hour. Right. So these are ratios. So here we've got different units, 18,000 miles and 1 hour. So this would be considered a rate. Um, so 18,000 miles per 1 hour, or as we normally would say, 18,000 miles per hour. So miles per hour is a rate. So speed is a rate. There's all kinds of rates though. Anything that's comparing two different units. Um, Miles are not the same thing as hours. I don't do homework for 2 miles per night. That's not a measurement of time. Hours is a measurement of time. So these are two different things. So this would be a rate. By the way, that speed, that rate, 18,000 miles per hour, is the speed a shuttle goes when it enters Earth orbit. So pretty fast. Or used to. The shuttles are no more. Side note. Okay, so here's another rate. $15 per 3 kilograms. Maybe if you're going to the bulk section at the grocery store or something, buying whatever, I don't know, coffee beans. No, that'd be really cheap for coffee beans. That'd be nice. No, would it be? I don't know. No, that'd be really cheap for coffee beans. Anyway, this is a rate. Um, the unit here is in dollars. The unit here is in kilograms. In dollars and kilograms are not the same thing. So it's comparing two different quantities, 15 of one thing and 3 of another. But the 15 of one thing is, these are dollars, and the 3 is of kilograms. It's a mass. So finally, here's another example. 80 million acres per 2 years. It's comparing two different quantities, 80 million and 2. But this unit is acres, which is an area of land, certain size area of land, and year is a unit that measures time. Again, so these are two different units. So this would be a rate. And a lot of times, when you hear rates in common speech or in writing, when it's not written as a fraction or something, or people are talking about 18,000 miles per hour, you'll hear the word per. $15 per 3 kilograms, or $5 per kilogram. 40,000 or 40 million acres per year, something like that. Per is a clue that you're dealing with a rate. So this is the rate of deforestation, by the way. So I just pulled out some semi-real world examples just to show you that rates are all over the place, and you can deal with them in math. They're ratios, but the units are different.